So we are going to solve a system of equations by graphing. You'll see we have two equations here. We're going to graph both of them. These are both pretty easy to graph. Y equals 3x minus 4. The y-intercept is negative 4. And the slope is 3, so we put a dot here. We go up 3 over 1, and back out a little bit. So I go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and over 1. And that will get me my coordinate. So then I can draw my graph. There it is. And this other one, y equals a negative x, well, that just means that really it's a negative 1x. The y-intercept is 0 plus 0. And so what we have here is we have a dot at the y-intercept is 0, and we go down 1 and right 1, which gives me this graph. All right. So what we have here then is a system of equations. That's two equations, and they're both graphed. The solution is the point where these two lines cross at 1, negative 1. We can check this solution by plugging it into the equation. So y equals 3x minus 4. I can plug my solution in. So x is 1, y is negative 1. So I can plug it in, and I get negative 1 equals 3 minus 4, or negative 1 equals negative 1. That's true. It checks. I can plug it into the other equation. I plug in my x, which is 1, my y, which is negative 1, and it's true. So yes, this is the solution. It is the point where these two lines cross. That's the point where the lines cross or intersect. All right, another example. So here we have another example. We have 2x plus y equals 5, and y equals 3x minus 5. Well, y equals 3x minus 5 is in slope-intercept form, so we know that this is the y-intercept. And I know the slope is up 3 over 1, so up 1, 2, 3 over 1. So this one's pretty simple. I can actually just draw the graph. Here it is. The other one, a little bit harder. It's 2x plus y equals 5. I can get this into slope-intercept form. I can put into slope-intercept. So 2x plus y equals 5, I can subtract the 2x from both sides, and then get y equals a negative 2x plus y. Well, then you go a little higher there. The y-intercept then is 5, and the slope is down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1. And I can draw my line. This coordinate right here, 2, 1, is where they intersect. That is the solution. I can check that solution by plugging it into both equations. So 2x plus y equals 5 and y equals 3x minus 5. The solution is 2, 1. That means x is 2, y is 1. That gives me 4 plus 1 equals 5, or 5 equals 5. Hey, that checks. And here, x is 2, y is 1. That checks. This means that this coordinate 2, 1 is the point where these two graphs intersect. It is the solution.